I'm not sure.
I see the bomb. I see the bomb.
Bakit daw kailangan iwan si Amika?
Ewan, baka mailang yung ostrich.
Hi
I
guys!
can see chicken.
Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng sibrang
Zebra?
ano eh.
Wait lang. Wait lang, not... What?
Ipipwesto lang po si Martin.
Oo, one at a time. Ipupwesto lang si Martin. That's the name. Hi!
Oh, pasok.
I need to hold you.
Okay lang pumasok. Basta dito lang tayo lagi sa harap niya.
Sa harap lang.
Huwag tayo dito sa may bandang side niya.
Oo, para hindi masipa, no?
Yun, ang kailangan safe lagi. Sa front tayo.
Lelong is feeding. Tingnan mo siya, gusto na akong bitawan ng anak ko. Hi!
Kirgan, look.
Not on the... On the head lang, on the head. Like zero.
Okay, you hold there.
There. Okay. Nice.
It has tiny ears.
Pero ang aamo nga nila, in fairness,
Kuhan niyo na
dahil
lang.
wala yung binabantayan,
Sasanay na rin sila ma'am sa tao. Kasi
Hi,
ganito lang din
guys.
yung ginagawa nila.
everyday.
Almost mo ano na, year na rin po.
Si Papa gusto na dito talaga tumiro. Oh, ayan oh. And look at his lashes, bro. Look at that. You see his lashes?
What lashes?
Ilan kayo dito?
Almost 30.
This ostrich is getting closer.
Yeah.
Kasamban niya lang kayo sir kasi nasa inyo yung food. Dito ka, huwag ka dyan.
Kuya, hawakan mo lang siya ha.
Akala nga.
Let's feed the ostrich. Ostrich! Ostrich. What letter does it begin with?
Oh, what?
Oh, buti naman. Ala, how about the zebra? Very easy, right?
Z.
Z. Oh, galing. Okay.
Horse.
Is there a horse?
Nakakapag-name siya pero hindi siya walang
Miniature horse. Only the small horse.
Kasi yung may
Amika's barking over there. We're right here, Amika. Don't worry.
aggressive yung lalaki pag nasa field.
I need to check out the horse.
Hindi natin tayo makakapagano sa loob.
Kuya, pwede daw bang ilapit yung horse?
Ma'am, medyo aggressive po kasi sila ma'am.
Medyo magbol dito. Oo.
Kasi minsan nakikik yung black eh.
Ah.
Kaya delikado. Ayan, lumalapit eh.
They're walking.
Oh, listen. Kuya said they're a little bit aggressive. A little bit too playful. That's why Kuya's not gonna let them too close to us.
Gagaw kasi sila sa
They want the food. That's the reason. Look at Lelong enjoying his time with the zebra. See?
Wow, look at these. It's the white one.
I know.
Oh my goodness. That has a long tail.
This one is have a long tail. Look.
Yeah, we've seen one of that a while ago. Oh, I can hear a turkey. Hi, turkey. Hi, turkey. Hi, huskies. Hindi ba kayo naiinitan, mga huskies?
May aircon naman daw po yung banyo.
May aircon ng banyo? Oo nga, no. Not too close, Buga. Hi! Look how big they are. Ang laki. Anong name?
Bandit po at Arya.
Bandit, Arya. Oh, Amika. Oh, look at your family. Ito, mas maliit. Ito, girl ba to?
Si Arya.
Don't touch, Buga. She doesn't know you.
Mabait naman sila.
Ah, okay. But still, they don't know you, so just look from afar. Another greenhouse over here. They have so many greenhouses. Like, I've seen 4 already. Tama ba? 4? We've seen 4. 1, 2. This is the 4th one, no? Enjoy ka dito pa?
Oo naman.
Saya, no?
Oo, may bago akong nakita eh.
I know. Na-realize mo gusto mo rin magkaroon ng farm at maraming animals
Kung pwede nga be.
na may zebra.
May mabibili tayong mga 5 hektarya doon pwede na.
Peacocks and ducks, this area. And of course, the quarantine zone. They're planning to transfer the birds here to the New Avery. Actually, parang isang cluster na lang sila doon. Ito kasi mini clusters. Oh. You're not supposed to go inside. Breeding area. Okay. There are eggs there. Hi! Ayan ka pala. Okay. Kuya Banjo was there. These are the birds. You can actually hear them, smell them.
Brown crane.
Brown crane?
Crown.
Crown. Crown crane because they have a crown on their head. It's a golden thing. Hello!
Hi.
I think he was talking.
Wala kayong nagsasalitang loro dyan?
Ayun!
Mayroon po dyan.
Siya, nagsasalita. I heard her.
Si American Grey po. Nasa bandang dito.
Hello! And this is their statue area. A lot of animal statues. It's a Buddha! Hi, Buddha! Can we ride?
Ado, kay Buddha, pakuha tayo. Baka magbigyan tayo ito sa natin, baka bigyan tayo ito.
Get down. Slippery.
There.
Here's shoelace. I don't have shoelace.
Ulit? Wow. Ate, kanya lahat to? Ano, saan punta mo?
Kerian,
Punta?
do you want to go with me? Come here.
Ay, sus.
Here, you want to hear on the front?
Go sit to Lelong's lap. So you can go there.
I'm the pilot.
Ito, totoong currency na to. Totoong pera yan. Oh my gosh! Ang daming gamit! This is like...
Dyan, ma'am.
These are treasures already. Amore!
Ito kasi mama dito po.
These are real life treasures. Grabe!